Hi everyone, great week for all of us and Happy New Year's. We're going to celebrate the new Gregorian year on December 31st at night, on January 1st. And also we celebrated at the end of last week the beginning of the month of Capricorn on the Kabbalistic calendar. So what can we expect in the upcoming week? Actually, I would like to mention what we can expect in the upcoming month. The month of Capricorn is very powerful this year, in the year 2020. There's so many planets in Capricorn. It's not just the sun in Capricorn. We have the planet Saturn, we have the planet Pluto, we have Jupiter, we have the sun itself, and it shows us there is a very powerful and strong influence of the sign of Capricorn. So Capricorn is an earth sign. It's ruled by the planet Saturn, which is known to be the great teacher. So there are a lot of lessons that we can gain in this month every year, but particularly in this year 2020. The energy of Capricorn is earth. It's moving forward, is enduring, is persisting, is getting up to the top without paying attention to obstacles, to challenges. It's strong, it's strength, like the goat that climb up to the mountain and fall and climb again, fall and climb again till it will get to the top. This is the energy and the strength that we can gain in this month. But because also the south node right now it's in the sign of Capricorn, it means there is a lot of baggage, negative baggage and karma that exist in the universe that affect all of us that connect to the sign of Capricorn. So the energy of pushing and moving forward is amazing, but there is some aspects of it that is not so positive in our life, and we need to pay attention to it this week, but generally in this month. What is the not amazing aspect of it is that sometimes we push so much, we only focus on what's ahead of us, that we forget to pay attention to what's going on inside. It's focusing on external element of pushing and moving ahead and being first and getting what we want, but we don't pay attention to how we feel in the process. You know, the south node is in Capricorn, but the north node, which is the energy that is required or recommended for us to move forward with in this year, is the energy of Cancer, which is more internal strength, paying attention to what's happening inside and eliminating aspects from our life that don't serve us anymore and enjoying life, calming down, slowing down, and trying to pay attention to people around us and to ourselves in the process. So we don't just focus at the end result, but we also learn to enjoy the process and to pay attention to the more personal elements of our life. So in this month, we have these two forces, which are extreme forces, opposite forces, that we need to learn to balance in our life. And this is something we want to do definitely this week, but for the entire month as well. Also, in this week, on December 31st, there is a beautiful aspect between the sun and the moon in the energy of Sagittarius and the energy of Libra that encourages us right before the beginning of the year to look at our soul's journey in a more holistic and peaceful way, to let go of the past, to accept the present, and to move forward with certainty for the future. So take the time on December 31st, not just for celebration and prepare yourself on external elements for the new year, but also to look within, to meditate, and to look at your soul's journey throughout the past year, throughout your life, and make sure that you have a more holistic spiritual outlook that will really encourage you to have a more spiritual, elevated, beautiful next year of 2020. I wish you a beautiful week, and I wish you a beautiful and transformative year as well. Have a great week, everyone.